This photography print features a towering saguaro cactus glowing against a dramatic Arizona sunset near Casa Grande, with rolling Sonoran Desert hills and clusters of cholla catching the last light. Layers of pink, peach, and gold clouds stretch across the sky, creating a bold southwest landscape with iconic cactus silhouettes and wide-open desert atmosphere. Printed from an original Images by Cheri photograph and available in multiple sizes, unframed and ready to display. That tall saguaro was impossible to ignore. It felt like the desert's main character for the evening. I moved around until the cactus stood clean against the brightest part of the sky, then waited while the clouds shifted from soft color to full-on fire. When the horizon lit up, I captured the scene so you can feel the scale of the cactus and the openness of the land all at once. This print brings warmth and Arizona character to a living room, office, hallway, or any space that needs a strong focal point. It is also a memorable gift for desert hikers, RV travelers, and anyone who loves the Sonoran Desert at golden hour. Hang it where you want, a daily reminder to stand tall, stay rooted, and let the sky do the talking.